Can you turn $1 into 100 in just 24 hours? Most people would say that's impossible. But I'm about to prove them wrong, or go broke trying. With only $1 in my pocket and zero backup plans, I have exactly 24 hours to make this money grow. And trust me, this is way harder than I thought. Here are the rules. I can't use any of my own stuff to sell. I can't call friends for cash. I have to start with this single dollar bill. If I fail, I'll have to post an embarrassing video reading my bank balance out loud. And trust me, you don't want to hear that. Step 1. I need to flip this dollar fast. So I walked into a convenience store and bought a single water bottle. My plan: sell it for $2. Sounds dumb, right? But after 30 minutes of awkward rejections, I actually sold it. Profit: $1. Now I've got $2 to work with, and 23 hours left. This is where things get tough. I tried buying candy in bulk to resell. Nobody wanted it. Even tried street performing with zero talent. Let's just say the only thing I got was weird stares. At one point, I had just $2 left. I thought about quitting, but then I saw a garage sale sign. Garage sales are like gold mines if you know what to look for. I found this random old board game for $1, flipped it on Facebook Marketplace for $10 within an hour. Now, I'm back in the game. From there, I bought a few used books for $2 each, sold them for $5 each. My cash pile, $1.37, were climbing. Time was running out, 3 hours left. With $37, I decided to gamble big. I found an old video game console at a pawn shop, bought it for $35, and flipped it for $80 within 2 hours. With just 40 minutes left on the clock, I did one last small flip. Final total: $102. $1, 1 day, $100. This challenge taught me one thing. It's not about how much you start with. It's about momentum and taking small, smart risks that compound. If I can turn $1 into $100 in a single day, imagine what you can do with what you already have. What challenge should I do next? Turning $10 into $1,000? Living with $0 for a week? Drop your wildest idea in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you love crazy experiments like this.